Have you ever wondered if it's possible to become a millionaire without a high-flying career or a big business? Well, today we're sharing the story of how an ex-engineer built a net worth of over $1 million before turning 40. And no, it didn't involve luck, inheritance, or risky investments. It all came down to managing money wisely, increasing income, and making smart financial choices. If financial independence and early retirement sound appealing to you, make sure to watch till the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on personal finance and wealth building. The common myths of getting rich. Before diving into what worked, let's talk about what didn't make her a millionaire. She did not get rich through property. Unlike many in Singapore who climbed the property ladder from HDBs to condos, she has only ever owned a 4-room HDB, which she still lives in today. She did not make money from crypto. While many people profited from cryptocurrency, especially during the COVID-19 boom, she never invested in it. She did not engage in aggressive stock trading. Her portfolio is quite boring, consisting mainly of stable Singapore stocks that generate long-term returns. She did not build a multi-million-dollar business. While she has side hustles, none of them are large enough to be life-changing sources of income. Instead, her journey to financial freedom was built on 4 simple yet powerful principles: earning, saving, investing, and protecting. Step 1. Surround yourself with the right people. 1. Her husband, her financial partner. One of the biggest turning points for her was when her husband, then boyfriend, introduced her to investing. He suggested opening a CDP account and buying stocks early in their careers, even when they had little money to spare. This simple shift in mindset, from saving to investing, was a game changer. He also introduced her to books on investing, which set her on the right path. Today, her stock dividends and bond interest fully fund her living expenses, proving that long-term investing works. Another unexpected benefit? Marrying a Singaporean who served national service allowed her to purchase affordable insurance at a discounted rate, helping her protect her finances efficiently. 2. Her colleague, the side hustler. Early in her career, she once complained to a colleague about how hard it was to build wealth on a salary. Her colleague's response shocked her. She saved 100% of her salary and lived entirely on her side income from tuition. This motivated her to start giving tuition. With an engineering degree, she was able to teach math and science at A-level, a niche that pays well. The extra money she earned went straight into savings and investments. 3. Her best friend, the networking king. In her second job, she met a colleague who excelled at networking. Through him, she learned that many successful people had side hustles and alternative income streams. Some were running Airbnb rentals overseas. Some owned franchises in Singapore. Some built online businesses. This was eye-opening. It also led to an insightful conversation with HR, where she learned that side hustles are allowed as long as there is no conflict of interest. This gave her the confidence to explore online businesses like blogging. Even though her side hustles didn't make her rich, they exposed her to new opportunities and additional income streams beyond her salary. Step 2. Chasing higher income. When she graduated, her starting salary was $3,200. 3 years later, it had only grown to $3,500 due to minimal annual increments. Meanwhile, her husband, who started with a lower salary of $2,800 but was in a structured graduate program, had already jumped to over $5,000 per month in the same time frame. That was her wake-up call. Key lessons on increasing income. Different companies pay wildly different salaries for similar roles. Working at a large, financially strong company increases her market value and opens doors to higher-paying roles. Job hopping strategically can lead to significant pay raises. After over a year of searching, she landed a new job paying $5,000 per month. Later, she switched to another company, reaching a 5-figure salary per month. This huge jump in income made saving and investing much easier, accelerating her financial journey. Step 3. Avoiding lifestyle inflation. Even as her salary grew, she kept her expenses low. She continued wearing affordable clothes bought online. She avoided luxury brands and expensive gadgets. For her kids, she opted for affordable enrichment classes at community centers instead of costly private institutions. She focused on self-learning using online courses rather than pricey tuition. By keeping her lifestyle simple, she was able to invest a larger portion of her income, allowing her money to grow faster. Final thoughts. Your path to financial freedom. Her journey to becoming a millionaire before 40 wasn't about luck. It was about making deliberate financial choices and following these 4 key principles. 1. Earn more. Seek higher-paying roles, negotiate salaries, and diversify income streams. 2. Save aggressively. Curb lifestyle inflation and prioritize meaningful spending. 3. Invest wisely. Commit to long-term stable investments like dividend stocks. 4. Protect your wealth. Get proper insurance and safeguard against financial risks. The good news? You can do it too. Financial independence isn't about taking reckless risks or chasing trends. It's about making consistent, smart financial moves that compound over time. If you found this story inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe to Wealth for You, and turn on notifications for more personal finance insights. Tell us in the comments. What's one financial step you'll take today to move closer to financial independence?